All right, fresh stock of Molly toys. A couple little barbells. 120 wooden beads. 120 wooden spools. And her favorite, 1,000 beads of the size she really likes. All right, this is the first one she likes. Just a couple hoops together here. She's okay, Molly. I'm trying to make a video. Yeah, okay. All right, there's another one here. She's trying to get to it already. Another one here. All right, here's her swing. Just a couple skewer rods with a branch in between. She's kind of doing some damage on it here, but Molly, why are you back there? And then another one here. All right, so it's probably about 60 or 70 beads. Toys that you buy online like this just tend to go so quick. There's another one back there I gotta take down. About $20 a piece, and she goes through them quick, so she usually make her own. What do you think?